everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another GYMSHARK haul. So I finally got my hands on some of the new flex stuff and some of the Ombre Seamless outfits that I've just released on the GYMSHARK website. So the parcel did come yesterday and sadly I was so busy and I could not film and I was also too excited, so I opened it and I am actually currently wearing the shorts. You can see those. So yeah, super cute, I love them so much. So I got some of the flex shorts, as you can see. I also got the Ombre Seamless leggings in the black and grey marl. And I also got the new flex in grey and black. How tiny do these look? Believe it or not, I do fit in them. So this little haul then is basically just going to be me running through how the new collections fit, how they feel, the quality of them, the prices of them, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in seeing that, then please keep watching. Let's get on with it. Then, seeing as though I'm wearing them, we'll begin with the flex shorts. Now these are I think they're a mid-rise. They're definitely more high-waisted than the OG flex. If you've had the OG flex leggings before, then you'll know exactly what I mean. Give me 1 sec, I'll go grab mine. Okay, so these are the OG flex. If you have not already seen them, now you've seen them. So as you can see, the crotch is very close to the waistband on these. They are not high-waisted at all. They sit on your hips almost. They're literally the most uncomfortable leggings I've ever tried on. No shade to GYMSHARK, but these are probably the worst leggings ever. Maybe not ever, actually. The worst leggings that GYMSHARK have ever came out with anyway.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
Because it's simply just the waistband that brings it down, because the actual leggings themselves are amazing, so stretchy. They have the booty contour, the actual waistband is cute as anything. It's literally just the fact that they are really, really low-waisted, and I cannot deal with feeling like my belly is gonna fall out. Just a no-no for me. If you're okay with like low-rise stuff, then these will be great for you, but personally it's a no-no for me. So as you can see, they are super low-waisted. These shorts, which I will insert a try-on clip for you, are a lot more high-waisted. They do reach the inner part of your hips. The inner part of your hips? That's literally just your waist. So they reach your waist. They're not high-waisted because I feel like GYMSHARK's version of high-waisted is like almost below your boobs. I will insert the price here. I'm pretty sure they were like £25 or something along those lines. So not mega expensive, and I was in dire need of some shorts because I only own the flex cycling shorts and they're quite long. I'm not vibing with the whole, you know, long leg cycling short situation. So it was nice to see something that was a little bit more high up on the waist and a little bit less lengthy on the legs. And the design in terms of like the waistband with the print on, it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So these are well worth your money, I would definitely say, and they're so versatile in terms of the colours. I got them in the black, charcoal and grey marl, I think that's what it's called. I already did have this flex sports bra which has the GYMSHARK on the back and it matches the waistband perfectly. So just in case you was actually looking for something that would match with these shorts, then the black flex strappy sports bra is perfect for it in the black and charcoal. It is amazing. It's one of the best sports bras I own. It goes with everything. including the other 2 pairs of leggings that I bought in this haul. You can kind of mix and match with GYMSHARK, and that tends to be something that I avoid because I'm pretty fussy and I like to be all matching, but money is tight. So we had to just get leggings and shorts for this GYMSHARK haul. I didn't actually buy any of the matching tops, unfortunately. Brilliant shorts, squat proof. They are sweat proof, definitely sweat proof, because I have actually, like I say, I think did these come yesterday? No, so these came actually 2 days ago. I got the GYMSHARK delivery 2 days ago now. I was thinking, because I've been on a run twice in these now. So yeah, I've ran twice and been super sweaty, and neither times has any sweat shown. So if that's an issue for you, then these are great. Personally, I've said before, I don't really give a shit about sweat. Doesn't bother me. It's always a good sign of hard work, so I'm down for that. They're on the cheaper side in terms of GYMSHARK, because obviously they're a pair of shorts, they're not like full length leggings or anything like that. So if you're just looking for something that you can pair with all different kinds of sports bras and things like that, then this is definitely a staple piece. Beautiful. Okay, let's move on. Next up then, I'm going to talk about the other flex. So I bought the high-waisted flex leggings in the colour grey and black marl, I think. Light grey marl maybe. Ooh, we got a little dangler. Let's try and pull this out. Bye. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. High-waisted. They got the little black GYMSHARK logo, and then they got huge GYMSHARK logo on the back, which is, this is like my favourite thing. I love how bold that is. Definitely stand out-ish, so if you're into that kind of thing, then these are for you. They've got the really light booty contour on these. Again, they are a lot less prominent than the old flex, as you can see there. I will insert a clip here of a try on for you. High-waisted flex leggings then, I will leave the price up on the screen for you. I'm pretty sure the leggings are £40 each, and these are in the black and grey marl, I think. With the new flex, it's a bit of a difficult one because I thought that I was going to love them. However, I'm just kind of, I'm in between. Like, I don't dislike them, but I also feel like there's an awful lot of material gathering around my crotch area right now. And there's also a shitload at the bottom of my ankle. So I'm just kind of confused as to why they've added so much extra material into these leggings, because they had the right amount in the previous high-waisted flex. You'll see in the try-on clips anyway what I'm talking about, but you can pretty much just see everything. Like, I don't know if maybe it's because I've got a light colour, I do not know. You can see the outline of my underwear. You can see in the squat test, even though they are squat proof, you can see still the outline of my underwear where it bumps up the material rather than the actual colour of it, if that makes sense. I'm a bit gutted about these, to be quite honest with you, because they really hyped them up. Like, all of the GYMSHARK athletes really made them seem like they hadn't really changed much. It was just the colour scheme that they changed, and I really feel like these are very different. In terms of the flex, this new version and the older version of the high-waisted flex, I would definitely go for the older version. These are just not making me feel very comfortable at all. Like, the material is extremely thick and compressive, but it's like almost uncomfortable compressive, which I love compression. Like, I love the feeling of, like, you know, like being sucked in. I love that feeling. However, with these, it feels like I'm uncomfortable. Like, I just want to keep readjusting myself. I don't know how I feel about these, guys. And I took the tag off. Brilliant. Or maybe I just got a dodgy pair that has just like tons of excess material. Who knows? But I'm not digging the excess material around my ankle. I'm also not digging the excess material around my vagina. I would also imagine that these are not sweat proof just because of how light the colour are. Just because of how light the colour is. Previously with the old flex, you could still see a lot of sweat in the lighter colours, so I'm going to go with the same vibe and imagine that this is probably the same. Obviously I can't give you like a very accurate viewpoint on if it's sweatproof or not because I haven't actually worn these out yet. It's been far too hot to wear something as thick as these are. To be completely honest, these almost feel as thick as the Camo Seamless. So do with that what you will. Obviously don't take my word for like gospel because this is just my opinion. But these do feel very thick on. Maybe I'm just really hot because of the humidity here. I don't know, girl, but I'm not keen on these leggings at all. Moving on. So up next we have the Ombre Seamless in black and grey. So I have actually tried these on already. If only I took the tag off these instead of the Flex. The one that everyone's been waiting for, but yet it's still in stock. What? I was literally there on the release and I was like, I think I realised that they'd released like an hour late and I was like, oh my god, I've missed the release, and I was like nearly crying in the car. And then I checked online and they were also in stock. I was like, bitch, what the fuck? So yeah, so these are the black marl, small, size small. Everything is in a size small today, by the way. Again, GYMSHARK on the side, and all of them have the GYMSHARK on the ankle as well. But these feel exactly like the Adapt Marl, is it, that they just came out with? I think it was. The grey Adapt Marl, I'll try and put a picture here, you'll know what I mean. They feel exactly the same in terms of the waistband, in terms of like the stretchiness, like, look at that. These could, they could pass for like resistance bands, these. Wrap them around your door and just, yeah, right, let's move on. So I'll insert the try-on clips now. These are super stretchy, super comfortable. I will leave the price here on the screen for you. I think they are £50 if I remember correctly. I think these fit me quite well in terms of the length. Like, I don't really have much material at the bottom that, you know, bundles up, and I am 5'4" for any references that you might need, and I weigh 65 kilograms. So if you need conversions for that, then Google it, because I don't know. Ew, I've broken a nail, look at that. So these are honestly amazing. I would say that these are probably one of my favorite sets. Like, the whole of the Adapt Marl has been like one of my favorite releases, bar the Camo Seamless. I'd say they're probably joint first at this point because the color schemes and things like that that have come out in terms of the Adapt, oh baby, they are beautiful. I am yet to get my hands on the new Camo Seamless. Actually, I was meant to buy those as well, but it completely slipped my mind because I was too panicked about getting these before they sold out. But I will get my hands on those at some point as well. Gosh, I'm gonna need a new house for my GYMSHARK collection eventually. You can pair them once again with pretty much anything. So that is everything for today's video then, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will leave my Instagram and my Twitter on the screen here, and you can go follow me and message me on that, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you would like to see more content from me, please don't hesitate to click one of the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!